Running hello world.py looks simple, but behind the scenes, Python is doing far more work than you think. When you execute a Python file, the interpreter reads your code line by line, figures out what every word means, and then carries out each instruction. Here's what actually happens. Python notices the .py extension and treats the file as executable code. The interpreter scans the script, understanding keywords like print. It evaluates the content inside the parentheses and sends the text to your screen. Your code editor uses syntax highlighting, functions in one color, strings in another, to help you quickly understand what's code and what isn't. Knowing the internal flow gives you a clearer mental model of how Python thinks. This helps you debug faster, write cleaner programs, and scale into more advanced concepts with confidence. Dive deeper into the full Python Fundamental series by D3V India.